friends, I'm going to show you how to log on to Epic. Epic is an awesome digital library resource where there are so many read alouds and book titles for your student to read as well as listen to, and it's just a great resource to have during this time of remote learning. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to log into our Springfield Ball Charter School website, and it will take you to this home screen. Then go to Teachers and find your teacher. That would be me, Mrs. Bessler. So it will take you to our home page for our classroom website. And I have two places where the link to Epic is stored. Right under Resources, right here, as well as over on the right-hand side. And I have our class code in both spaces, MEW4252. So what I'm going to do, you can either click here or click the Epic icon here. So I like to click this one, and you will log in. You are a student, and you're going to it will ask you to enter our class code. And our class code pops up because this is my computer and it remembers me. So our class code once again is MEW4252. Go. And then you select your student. So I'll pick Hope. I would click Hope, and that's how I would log in. And it gives you all these awesome resources and books. You can listen to a Biscuit book. You can read aloud some great nonfiction texts about animals. There's some award-winning audiobooks as well. So you just kind of click, and it will get started for you. Welcome to the neighborhood, Mr. Rogers. I will push out reminder emails to parents who have not yet logged into Epic. My friends from last year, we use this quite a bit, so you should be familiar. And if you have any questions, please reach out and let me know. Thank you.